In the first two chapters, I have explained to you the main features of our high-performance hybrid drivetrain as well as the carbon fiber monocoque. But now probably you are asking yourself, how is the car feeling like? How is the driving experience? And this I will explain you now. For the first time, we offer to the customer a huge bandwidth of possibilities to adapt the car to the personal purpose. We have different driving modes, and on top we have different hybrid modes. Overall, we have 13 different combinations. But let's take a look at some examples. For instance, in Cheetah, the car enables really in several conditions purely electric driving, including four-wheel drive. In Strada Hybrid, for instance, the car is set up in a very comfortable and relaxed way. It's a perfect mode that you can use, for instance, for long distance travel. In Sport Recharge, the car is set up in a way for maximum fun to drive. You can really have fun on mountain roads, including in the recharge configuration, for instance, recharging the battery using the recuperation potential of the front axle. And last but not least, in Corsa Performance for sure, the car is set up in a very sharp way using the best and most thrilling performance of the car. So as you have seen, the new 744 is a real Lamborghini, offering a bandwidth of driving experience that was never seen before. So we can't wait to show you the car, but let's wait someday.